Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is our ending result with 12 captain and a total of 45 angler fishing for 3 hours. I would like to thank our organizer and sponsors. Got all of our captain ready and waiting for us to finish breakfast and head on out at 6 a.m. sharp. It's all fishing crew right here. Finishing up with breakfast. All of our captain out there.
All right, so how'd y'all sleep last night? What is that? Is that just a backpack type thing?
It's what's up? A life jacket.
Okay, that's good.
Yeah.
They provide their own.
Yeah, I just like the pocket to put some stuff on it. Ready to roll right now. My captain is Captain Austin.
Oh, did you? Jason, right? All right, how you doing? Yeah, that's all right.
Austin Hips is my captain.
Ed, raise your hand.
Yeah, for sure.
You need to take your shoes off and go through. How y'all doing this morning? I'm Justin. I'm on the dock over there. It's up to you. Just kind of leave it to
What's that?
Who's got who? It wasn't underwater this morning. The water's just coming up right now. All right. We're just going to come through here and we're going to jump boat to boat.
Getting ready, guys. Go fishing. Alright, this is our captain right here. That's what we're rolling in. Whole crew. So fun. It's gonna be a fun day, guys.
We got one more person on this boat. That's me.
Dude's gonna make you jump, man.
Right here.
At 5:55 a.m. right now, everyone boarded and ready to go.
Hey, buddy, I'm gonna
Heading
follow
out.
you. I'm gonna follow you.
Probably gonna get some spec route today. There's 3 angler on this boat, including me. Look at this beautiful sunrise. Made it to our first spot. Gonna hit some trout right here.
Trout or rigs. Alright, which hand y'all reel with?
Right.
You reel with your right?
I think so.
Right hand.
Yeah.
Right hand? Okay. Are you left-handed or right-handed?
I'm right-handed, but I reel with my right.
Okay. You're right-handed, you reel with your left.
Right.
I'm trying to think about
Because you fight with your strong arm.
Right. You do, but I. Okay.
Yeah, I reel with my left hand.
Oh yeah, you're right. Cause I cast with my right. All right. That's a trick. That's
Daiwa on a bubble rod right here, and just a jig head
No, I get it.
on a popping cord
My right
jig
hand
head.
reel, so that's just how it is. So I'm left-handed.
Live shrimp.
Yeah, I'm waiting on the net. Okay.
Let's grab me live shrimp here. Got me a live shrimp. Yeah.
There you go.
That's how I'm gonna hook it up.
And it's easier to cast. I'm trying to get the wind to our back, like that. With the live shrimp, you don't have to pop it as much there. So just pop it. Alright, you reeling too much?
Oh gosh.
Pop it. Barely reel. Right there. That's it.
Oh, I think
You're just reeling to get that slack in, you know? Hold up, y'all switch.
I think we.
Yeah.
Let me go under you. Thank
Come
you.
back here. There you go.
There we go.
Slow down what you're popping. It's live shrimp, so it do the work for you. All you're doing is the popping is to get that slack out. Gotta go find the birds.
Like the power pole better than the tower?
Oh, of course. I hate them salads.
Oh, really?
Well, I'm gonna be honest. I think I'm gonna switch over to a Minn Kota.
That's what I got.
That's the best part about my job, right here.
Yep. Moving on to another spot. Wow, look, dolphin out there. It's awesome.
I'll go that way. This ain't no good.
I lost my shrimp. That's there was no bite at all, so we're moving on again. Fish on. Captain got a fish.
Try to throw on that point right there.
On the backside?
Who's
He's caught on the weed.
Oh, redfish. Nice. That's a nice keeper.
Yeah, throw on that point over there.
I got it.
For one.
I hope it's still on, huh?
It's way too loose. Hold, stop reeling. Oh, you got a big ass mouth. That's a cat.
Cell cat.
Catfish flipper.
There you go.
Come on, Red. Oh, that's a big red or something. Oh yeah, that's a big red. Probably 21 inch.
What kind of fish?
2021. Yeah, boy.
It's collar.
Are these this?
What's that?
They're catching his first redfish. He's coming from Dallas.
Usually when they get schooled up like this, they're like, get a couple
Let's
of
do a
lines.
good man on the half shell.
Oh yeah.
Second red on the boat.
Now take this here,
Yeah, boy.
slide it down, right there. Move these fingers. You don't need all your fingers right there. Where's that red?
No redfish. This look like a red. Oh, fish on.
There you go. It's real. There you go, real.
Big one.
Keep the pole up. Keep it up, not real.
The one that comes to the surface, harder for him to swim.
soon as you bring that pole down, he'll feel that and he'll spit it. I know it sounds weird, but
Oh, big one.
there you go, keep reeling.
Yeah, boy.
That's a pretty one. Oh yeah, that's a pretty one
That's
right
one
there.
pretty one. Color is nice.
Let's get some pictures.
Yeah, boy.
Yeah. They get really orange, like late October.
Is that what they call it, redfish?
Yeah. Okay. You know why?
Because it's red?
Alright, yeah. I'm gonna get you.
They call it black drum, a black drum.
Yep. You can pick up the fish.
Oh, yeah.
There you go.
Yeah,
And
boy.
look, face this way. Like you get over here. There you go. There you go. Just keep reeling.
Oh,
Hey, your fish hit me.
Slapping each other over here. You got him?
another
They
one.
don't feel big.
He's a redfish. What is it? Oh, drum.
That's
Flip him out.
puppy drum.
He'll keep. Alright, yeah,
Yeah, that's
let's get real quick.
eating one.
There you go. Yep. You got it too much down now.
Man, I like that gold color on it.
Yeah, this color beautiful.
That's a nice
Yeah, that's a pretty one right there, boy.
That black drum bleeds everywhere.
See how much
Right there.
puppy drum.
That's
Good.
a pro right there.
He might feel offended that you said that, man.
All right.
He's got to be 16. No, yeah, 16. He's 17.
Perfect.
He'll keep. That's a big bird.
Cooler.
Actually, we're going to put him in the live well.
Fish coming. We need a bull rat.
Man, you got the beginner's luck. Alright, now bring him this way. Alright, stop reeling. Up and over. Up and over.
Nice.
They thick, boy.
Yeah.
Oh, look at that. See?
That's pro right there.
Go there, drinking spot. Take a break.
Might be a big cat. I don't have to keep it now. I ain't got this. Might be a big drum. Oh, it's a redfish. No, that thing's really big.
Still want to fight?
Yeah. They don't get tired easy.
Yeah, boy. Another one.
Oh.
Probably 20 inch.
There we go. Good enough. Come over here.
Oh, thank you. Red.
head. Wow. You hit that thing in the flag, you gotta come over.
Red again, I think. No, red. Looking at the wrong line.
Looking at the long line.
Red again.
Yeah.
3 red right here.
I'm telling you, that spot over there is gonna be good stuff.
Oh, that one where we just
Yeah.
at?
Give this 5 more minutes. We need to go back over there.
Fish on. Nice.
No, y'all good. I'm on there. We get that
Right
one,
here.
I gotta get 'em. I might be
Look like good size. Look like good size. Keeper.
I was going to keep her on a little bit. Now swing back to the he swallowed that thing.
Oh, beautiful color.
That's a big red.
That's beautiful red. Where's the hook?
Swallowed it.
Oh, it ain't too bad.
Ain't too bad.
It's right there.
But I'm gonna put him in the live well. I think he's the biggest one.
Where's your cord?
Right here.
Oh. Cast out.
He's got some weight to him.
Yeah.
Yeah, this be a money fish right here. He's got
Hold it like that.
Yeah, boy.
No, you don't want
Nice
them.
one. Nice keeper red. I think it's in this spot right here.
Yeah, that's a good spot. I'm gonna have to start going over there.
And then
Just keep throwing, cause we ain't done yet.
Where's that the frozen shrimp? Or the
In the ice chest.
well, that's a nice one there.
Wanna do me a favor? Get a picture so I can send to my sponsors.
yeah, and then
Thank you, sir. He's pissed too. Yonder.
might have lost the bait.
Trying to get my wife to come fishing with you, but now
Yeah,
I have my
lost the
friends
bait.
coming.
Hook on the tail like this. It's on the smaller size shrimp.
Pulled up.
Oh, fish on, yeah.
There you go, reel. Keep the rod
Oh,
tip
fish
up,
on.
not side. There you go. There you go.
Another keeper.
Keep reeling. I ain't gonna flip them in. Flip them in.
Oh yeah, that's a nice one.
I'll take a picture with this one.
Probably a 20. Look like a 20.
There you go.
Yeah, got bite at the same time too. Lost my bait. Big one.
I'm just trying out that drag and he's pulling this stuff out. There you go.
Yeah, man.
He wasn't in the boat yet.
Yeah, man. Keeper. Looks like keeper. One more to go. We got 11. 3-man limit. Nice, nice size.
Blue tail. God, that's a pretty one.
Like a 20-inch.
That's a good job.
Beautiful.
Gotta take another one?
Yeah, we need one more.
He ain't gonna stay there for us. I'm about to kill him. Not on purpose. Gonna take a picture with him? That was number 11. We got one more to
Number
go.
11.
Nice. I came in hot.
4-man limit. Yeah.
So make sure he's size. I think he is.
Dustin caught on last limit on red 19.
That's it, boys. We're done.
Now it is time to take a 53-minute ride back to the marina to weigh in and see if we win anything. Passing the bridge access to Shell Beach. We made it back to the marina close to 12 o'clock. Seems like the other groups has came back already. Violation over here.
I had a big James.
Yeah. I guess we're all going back here. Which way do we go?
Oh, that way. This last two redfish here look like a trophy fish.
Everybody line up on this side.
I'm gonna. Y'all just gotta hang out back there for a second. I'm gonna weigh a few of these fish in.
Guys, wouldn't be able to get around to you.
How'd you do with your gadget?
Pretty good.
It's good?
Yeah.
It's on the ground.
What about the sheep head? I got one big sheep head right there. Bring your biggest flounder.
The way in over here.
I got a $1,000. Whose boat? Darren. The guy in the blue shirt. Where? Which one?
Mike, this is why we don't have nice things.
Biggest trout right here, 2.42 pounds.
All right, look, we're gonna lay all the fish out, and we'll get a picture.
Kick-ass speakers. Dick's $200 gift card, Cabela's $200 gift card, a Casa Azul tequila, and then a whiskey basket with Whiskey Pig and Basil Hayden Choach. So Flint picked Cabela's $200 gift card already. Next up is Jamie. Jamie Turtlebot. Biggest sheephead, Mr. Rob and Rob, you still got the Arctic Ice Chef Dick's gift card, tequila or whiskey? Alright.
Way to bring it in.
Next, biggest trout.
Fishing experience.
Only red. Yes, sir. Who did this?
Oh my God. Hey, here's your white
Bye, buddy. Gorgeous.
Jason decided had to be a
So they're gonna clean all the fish for us. Now we're gonna grab some food at the TV again. Then pick up our fish and then head on now.
Oh, this is good day.
See you later. Thank you.
Grab some fish now.
Hey, you want to buy some ice and split it? Yeah? I got more crap.
I don't know. I just got a bag. Yeah, it looked like just red.
Red fish. Like there's a flounder in here.
Is that flounder?
Yeah, flounder. Got this pelican right here. So it looks like they sell live shrimp here as well. They've got a bunch of live shrimp. Didn't know that they have live shrimp here. Live shrimp over here too. Ooh. Up here they have crab. Pretty cool. I didn't know that they sell live shrimp and stuff up here right at the end. And they are selling gas here. People pulling up and filling up the gas. Here's the live shrimp price here. It's not bad. 20 for $7. Price is pretty good.
Okay.
They have price on the top here. I didn't see earlier. Alright, got our fish. To support my channel, hit that like button, subscribe and drop me a comment. After an hour-long drive back home, we're ready to fry up this fresh cat redfish for dinner. Thanks for watching. Bye bye now.